Hi children, myself Shiva Prasad Panigre, lecturer in mathematics of Nalanda Vidya Mandir Plus 2 Science College Berhampur. Okay, how are you? I hope you are fine. Now, last class we have discussed about transformation of matrix and how to find a inverse of a matrix. Okay, now last class we covered the theory part of matrices. Today we will discuss about some examples and go to the exercise. Okay, now first example, in your textbook, that is page number 95. Page number 95. Given two matrices, given A is a matrix, that is 4, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 7, 1. And another matrix B is also given. First row 2, 3, second row minus 3, 0, and third row minus 1, 5. Now it says that find A plus B, A minus B, AB and BA whenever it is possible. So here two matrices are given, A and B, and find A plus B, A minus B, A multiplied with B, and B multiplied with A if possible. If possible. That means if A plus B you can define, then find the value of A plus B. If you can define A minus B, then find A minus B. If you can define A multiplied with B, then you can find here A and B are given. Similarly, you can find, if possible, B multiplied with A. Okay, we know in addition and subtraction, they are conformal for addition and subtraction, they are of same order. But here, matrix A having order 2 cross 3 and matrix B having order 3 cross 2. Therefore, we cannot define A plus B and also A minus B. Okay? A plus B, A minus B हमें define कर पाएंगे कौन में? Now they are of not same order, समान order same नहीं. Okay? Now test for A multiplied with B. Now A multiplied with B. That means number of column of A if is equal to when A and B are conformal for multiplication. Now if number of column of a pre-matrix is equal to number of row in post-matrix, then they are conformal for multiplication or product. Here matrix A contain 3 columns and matrix B contain 3 rows. Therefore, number of column in A is equal to number of rows in B. Therefore, we can define AB. Then we write 4, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 7, 1. This multiplied with B. That is first row 2, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 5. Okay. Now we can multiply A with B. That is equal to first row of A with the first column of B. First row, first column contain 4 into 2, 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3, 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Okay? This is our first row, first column. Similarly, first row, second column 4 into 3, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into 5 plus minus 1 into 5. This is our first row, second column. Then we go to second row. Second row, first column. So 3 into 2, 3 into 2 plus minus 7 into minus 3, minus 7 into minus 3, then plus 1 into minus 1. Then go to second row and second column. Now 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus minus 7 into 0 minus 7 into 0 then plus 1 into 5. This is 1 into 5. 1 into 5. Okay. This matrix is our product A with B. This is equal to 4 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 6 plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 into 0, 0 plus minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5. Now this is our 3 into 2, 6 plus minus 7 multiplied with minus 3, minus plus 21 plus 1 into minus 1, that is our minus 1. Okay. Now this is equal to 9 plus 7 into 0, 0 plus 5 into 1, 5. This is equal to 8 plus 1, 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. 6 plus 21, that is 27 plus minus 1, 26. Then second row, second column, 9 plus 5, 14. Therefore, we get AB is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. After multiplying A with B, the matrix contains the rows of A and contain the column of a matrix B. Therefore, this is the order of 2 cross 2. Okay. In the same way, if possible, B into A, we can multiply B with A. Then B is equal to 2, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 5. And A is equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 7, 1. Now, our matrix B is the order 3 cross 2 and the order of A is 2 cross 3. Therefore, number of column in B is equal to number of rows in A. Therefore, we can multiply B with A. And if product is possible, that is BA and the order is 3 cross 2. Can you find BA? Okay. Therefore, you can find BA in this way. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Similarly, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Okay? That is the order of 3 cross A. Here A is the A into B is the order of 2 cross 2, but B into A is the order of 3 cross 3. In this way, we can find A, B and B. But in this question, we cannot define A plus B and also cannot define A minus B. Okay? This is our example 1. Example 2. That is page number 96. Page number 96. Find the value of x, y, z and t. Find the value of x, y, z and t for which the matrices for which the matrices x plus y, y minus z, 5 minus t and 7 plus x. This is equal to this and t minus x, z minus t, z minus y, then x plus z plus t. If both are equal. Okay? If it is the matrix equal, then find the value of x, y, z and t. t. Values say two matrices are equal. In which condition two matrices are equal? We know if two matrices are equal, they have same order. Here order is 2 cross 2. Here also it is also 2 cross 2. Now you compare the corresponding element. If they are equal, then from this two matrix we can find x plus y. First column is equal to t minus x. This is equal to this, and y minus z, its corresponding element is z minus t. Therefore y minus z is equal to z minus t. This is our equation 2. Similarly, 5 minus t is equal to z minus y. And fourth one is 7 plus x is equal to x plus z plus t. We have 4 variables and 4 equations. Therefore, we can easily solve the values of x, y, z and t. Now, from the equation 4, we have 7 plus x is equal to x plus z plus t. If we cancel x, we get z plus t is equal to 7. Z plus t is equal to 7. Okay? Now, from equation 3, 5 minus t is equal to z minus y. Therefore, minus t from this side, we can take minus t from this side, that is equal to z plus t is equal to 5 plus y. 5 plus y. Minus t take this side and minus y also take left hand side. Therefore, we get z plus t is equal to 5 plus y. This is equation 5 and this is equation 6. From this equation, we have z plus t is equal to 7 and also z plus t is equal to 5 plus y. This implies this is equal to this. 7 is equal to 5 plus y. This implies y is equal to 7 minus 5. This is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 2. हमें y का value पाएंगे. Okay? Now, from equation 3, we can take minus y to right hand side. We get y minus t is equal to y came from left hand side, that is plus y minus t is equal to z minus 5. Okay, this is equation 7. Or from equation 3 रो हमें कौन पहले ना y टा जैसे अपन ले plus y ले minus t अच्छी अपन कौन सा 5 टा अपन ले z minus 5. Y minus t is equal to z minus 5. And from equation 2, y here minus t, if you take this side, then y plus t is equal to z minus z, take this side, that is equal to plus z 2z. From 2, y plus z, y minus z is equal to z, y plus t is equal to z minus 5, y plus t is equal to 2z. If we solve this to or add to this, cancel out, 2y is equal to z plus 2z, 3z minus 5. This implies value of y is equal to 2. Therefore, 2y, that means put the value of y in this, we get 2 into 2, 4 is equal to 3z minus 5. This implies minus 5, take left side, 4 plus 5, 9 is equal to 3z. This implies z is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of z is equal to 3. We can get the z is equal to 3. Okay? Now, x plus y, from equation y, x plus y is equal to t minus z and y and z. We get the value of y and z. Okay, put these two values in equation 3. Put the value of, for the value of y and z in 3 we have 5 minus t is equal to z means 3 minus y means 2. This implies 5 minus t is equal to 3 minus 2 means 1. This implies 5 1 taken this side minus 1 minus 2 taken that side, that is equal to t. This implies 4 is equal to t or t is equal to 4. We get the value of t is equal to 4. Okay. Now we get the value of y, z and t. If we put in this equation, we get the value of x. Okay. If we put the value of y and t in this equation, we get the value of x. If x plus y is equal to t minus x from 1, therefore we take minus x this side, this implies we get 2x is equal to t minus y. This implies 2x is equal to the value of t is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to 2. This implies 2x is equal to 4 minus 2, 2x is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 and t is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of x, y, z and t are 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. Okay? Then example 3, it is also page number 69. Determine the matrix A and B. Determine matrix A and determine the matrices A and B if A plus 2B, A plus 2b is equal to 1, 2, 0, 6 minus 3, 3, minus 5, 3, 1. If a plus 2b is equal to this matrix and also given 2a minus b is equal to 2 minus 1, 5, 2 minus 1, 6, 0, 1, 2. Okay? A plus 2b is equal to 1, 2, 0, 6 minus 3, 3, minus 5, 3, 1 and a 2a minus b is equal to 2 minus 1, 5, 2 minus 1, 6, 0, 1, 2. Then find the matrix A and B. Okay? Now, this is the matrix that is A plus 2 times of B. If we add 2 times of B with A, we get this and we add 2 times of A, subtract B, from 2 times of A, we get this. From the two matrices, we get if we multiply this by 2. If we multiply both sides by 2, we have A plus 2B is equal to 1, 2, 0, 6 minus 3, 3, minus 5, 3, 1. And this is the A plus 2B and we in 2A minus B we can multiply both sides by the scalar 2, we get 2 into n, 2 into 2A minus B is equal to, why we multiply by 2? If we multiply by 2 we get minus 2B, here minus 2B and here plus 2B. If we add to this left hand side we get only A, we cancel out the 2B with the minus 2B. Therefore 2 into 2A minus B is multiplied by the 2, every element of this matrix. 2 into 2, 4, minus 2, 10, 4 minus 2, 12, 0, 2, 4. This is our 2 into 2A minus B, that is equal to 2 into 2A minus B means 4A minus 2B is equal to 4 minus 2, 10, 4 minus 2 12, 0 to 4, 0 to 4. If we add both sides, left hand we have a plus 4a, that is equal to 5a is equal to, if we this add two matrices, we get 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus minus 2 0, 0 plus 10 10, 6 plus 4 10, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, 3 plus 12 15, minus 5 0 minus 5, 3 plus 2 5, 1 plus 4 5. Okay, if 5a is equal to this, therefore a is equal to this, implies a is equal to, we can multiply 1 by 5 both sides, we get cancel out 5 and 5, we get left hand side 5. This is also 1 by 5 multiplied by the 5, 0, 10, 10 minus 5, 15 minus 5, 5, 5. This is equal to 5, 5a. This implies a is equal to, we can multiply every element by 1 by 5. Every element of this matrix multiplied with the 1 by 5. Therefore, we get 5 into 1 by 5. 1, 0, 2, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 1. This is our matrix. Okay? Therefore, a matrix is equal to 1, 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 1. And also, if we multiply if we multiply 2 with this matrix both sides, we can get, this implies 2 into a plus 2 into 2 4b is equal to, every element of this matrix can be multiplied by 2. Therefore 2 4 0 6 minus 3 3 minus 5 3 1. If this matrix both sides we can multiply 2, this gets 2a plus 4b. If this multiplied by 2, we get 2 4 0 12 minus 6 6 multiplied by 2 minus 10 3 into 2 6 1 into 3 multiplied by 2 2 into 1 2. Okay, 2 4 0 12 minus 6 6 minus 10 6 and 2. Okay, here 2a plus b 2a minus b is equal to 2 minus 1 5 2 minus 1 6 0 1 2. If this subtract from this, we have, okay, this subtract from this, okay, we have this cancel, 2a minus 2a cancel, 4b minus of minus b is equal to b, that is 5b. 5b is equal to this minus this minus this, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus of minus 1 5, 0 minus 5 minus 5, 12 minus 2 10, minus 6 minus of minus 1 plus 1, so that is minus 5, 6 minus 6 0, minus 10 minus 0 minus 10, 6 minus 1 5, 2 minus 2 0. This implies 5b is equal to, this implies 5b is equal to 0 5 minus 5 10 minus 5 0 minus 10 5 0. This implies multiplied by a scalar 1 by 5 both sides. This is equal to 1 by 5 into this matrix, we get 5 5 cancel out, b is equal to every element multiplied by 1 by 5. Therefore we get 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 1 0. This is our b. This is our a matrix and this is our b matrix. In this way we can calculate a and b. If we first calculate a, this can be put in this way. A, if we put a, this matrix, we get this matrix plus 2b is equal to this. Therefore 2b is equal to this matrix minus a. We can find 2b is equal to this. In this implies b is equal to this matrix divided by 2. In this way also we can find the matrix B. Okay. Example 4, same page number 96. If A is equal to 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, then find the value of AQ minus A square plus A. AQ minus A square plus A. That is, AQ means if A multiplied 3 times, we get AQ. You find A into A into A. First we find A square. That means this multiplied by this, we can get A square. After we getting A square, we also find AQ, that is equal to AQ multiplied with A. That is AQ. We can, in this way we can find AQ and A square. Put the value of AQ here and put the value of I square here. Sorry, A square. We get the value, if A is equal to this, A square is equal to this multiplied by A. This multiplied by this matrix, we can get A square. After getting A square, we find the AQ, that A square multiplied with A. We find the value of AQ and A square. Here put AQ here minus A square plus I. A is order 3 cross 3. Therefore, AQ also 3 cross 3, A square also 3 cross 3, and I is the unit matrix of also order 3. Then we can write 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. In this way, we can find the value of this AQ minus A square plus unit matrix of order 3. Okay. Example 5, page number 97. Verify that AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 6 minus 3, 4, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 1. Given A is the matrix 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 6, minus 3, 4, and B is the matrix 1, 2, 3, first row component 1, 2, 3, second component 3, 4, 2, and third component 5, 6, 1. Then verify the product transpose of AB is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is the property of transpose of matrices. Okay. The transpose of matrices for AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. First we find AB, then its transpose, and then we find B transpose, A transpose, and also their product. Okay. Now here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 3. This implies AB is equal to 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 5, 15. This is our first row, first column. First row second column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 8 plus 18. First to third column, 1 into 3, 3, plus 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3. Second row, first column, 6 into 1, 6, 7 into 3, 21, 8 into 5, 40. Second row, first column, second row, second column, 6 into 2, 12, plus 7 into 4, 8, 28, plus 8 into 6, 48. Okay? Second row, third column, 6 into 3, 18, 7 into 2, 14, 8 into 1, 8. Okay? Similarly, third row, first column, 6 into 1, 6, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, 4 into 5, plus 20. Third row, second column, 6 into 2, 12, minus 3 into 4, minus 12, plus 6 into 4, plus 24. And second, third row, third column, 18, plus 18 plus minus 6 plus 4. Okay, this is our AB. This is equal to 22, 28, 15 and 67. So 88. This is 40. This is our 20 minus 9, 11, plus 6, 17, minus 12, plus 12, cancel, that is 24. 18 minus 6, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16. This is our A plus B. Four plus 3 plus 3, 10. 67, 88, 40, 17, 24, 16. This implies if AB is equal to this implies AB transpose is equal to first row change to first column, first row change to first column, second row change to second column, third row change to third column. Therefore, 22, 28, 10, 67, 88, 40, 17, 24, 16. This is our AB transpose. Okay? This is our AB transpose. Now we calculate B transpose into A transpose. B, this is our B matrix. This implies we can find B transpose into A transpose. This is B. Therefore, B transpose is equal to 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2, 1. And A transpose is equal to 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, 6. First row change to first column. Second row 2. Second column change to second row 2, 7, minus 3. Third column change to third row 3, 8, 4. This is our B transpose and this is A transpose. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 6, minus 3, 4. Okay. Now we multiply these two. 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 3 into 2, 6. Plus 5 into 3, 15. Okay. First or second column. 6 into 1, 6. Plus 3 into 7, 21. Plus 8 into 5, 40. First or third column. 6 into 1, 6. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 4 into 5, plus 20. Okay. Second row, first column. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 4 into 2, 8. Plus 6 into 3, 18. Second row, second column. 6 into 2 into 6, 12. 4 into 7, 28. Plus 6 into 8, 48. Okay. Second row, third column. 2 into 6, 12. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. 6 into 4 plus 24. Okay. Third row first column 3 into 1 3. 2 into 2 4. 3 into 1 3. Third row second column 3 into 6 18. 2 into 7 14. 8 into 1 8. Third row third column 3 into 6 18. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 1 into 4 plus 4. This is equal to 15 plus 6 plus 1 22. 6 plus 1 7. 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 9 minus 3 plus 20, that is equal to 17. 8 plus 2 10 plus 18, that is 28. 12 plus 28, that is 40 plus 48 88. 12 minus 12 0 plus 24, that is equal to 24. 3 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. 18 plus 14, that is 32 plus 8, that is 40. 18 minus 6, that is 12 plus 4, that is 12 plus 4, that is 16. Okay, this is our B transpose into A transpose. We compare AB transpose and B transpose A transpose. This is our AB transpose and this is our B transpose A transpose. We compare these two matrices. First row contain 22, 67, 17, 22, 67, 17, 28, 88, 24, 28, 88, 24, 10, 14, 16, 10, 14, 16. Therefore, thus we have AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Verified. So verify करिए देख ला AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. हमें AB transpose डाल ले, B transpose A transpose multiply कर ले. हम पहले कौन AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Therefore verified. Okay. Now example 6. Page number 98. Example 6 says transpose the following system of equation in a single equation using matrices. Now first question is 2x plus 3y minus 5y is equal to 0, and second one is 3x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. And second question is 3x minus y plus z is equal to 6. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 1. Then 2x plus 7y plus 5z is equal to 5. These are our linear equation. This is our variable 2. This is our variable 3. Here, first question, there are two linear equations having two variables. These two equations can be written as also 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and second equation 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. Okay. Now, this question says that this equation can be converted into matrix form. Matrix form with हमें लिखिए. Okay. Now, here the coefficient of xy, the coefficient of the variable xy taken, we get the matrix 2, 3, 3, 5, and the variable are x and y. If we write xy in this way, and that can be formed in matrix, but we get this type of equation. If we write in this way, we can multiply 2 into x and 3 into y. No. Therefore, we can arrange xy in column matrix. If we written in this way, we can multiply this with this. 2 into x plus 3 into y. We get 2x plus 3. Okay. We the result is 5, 7. Therefore, this equation in this equation we get the variables, coefficient of variables, construct a matrix that is equal to 2, 3, 3, 5, and variables are selected. This is equal to say x and the constants 5 and 7, another matrix that is equal to c, and we get c is equal to 5, 7. Okay. Then we write a into x is equal to c. A into x is equal to c. If we multiply these two, is equal to c matrix. If we multiply a with x, we get c. Then both are equal. Then we get this type of equation. Here we see 2 into x is equal to 2x plus 3 into y. First column 2x plus 3y. Then 3x plus 5y. If a into x is equal to c, that is equal to 5, 7. If these two matrices are equal, this implies 2x plus, this implies 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 7. Therefore, we get the same equation. Therefore, this equation can be written in A, X, C or matrix form. Okay? The coefficient of x, y getting a matrix, and the variables x, y also getting another matrix, and the constants are getting another matrix. We arrange in such a manner they are conformal for product. In the same way, here also write the coefficient of x, that is 3, 1, 2. In first column, the coefficient of y -1, 2, 7, and the coefficient of that 1, 1, 5. This is our, let's say, matrix A, and the variable x, y, z, and this take another matrix, and the constant 6, 1, 5, that is 6, 1, 5. There also another matrix. In this way, we can write the linear equation in matrix form. Okay. Example 7. This problem is known as what problem? So the total investment in farming and business by two persons P1 and P2 is 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs. P1 and P2, 2 persons. They invest 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs. P1 invest 10 lakhs and P2 invest 15 lakhs. If these two sectors yearly profit annual at a rate of 20% and 25%. So the here P1 and P2 the person invest 10 lakhs and 15 lakhs into sector. One is farming and second is business. In farming, then the total profit is 20%. Okay? Profit of rate is 20%. In business, profit is 25%. Okay? Determine how can they divide their investment in respective sector so as to get total amount annual profit 2.3 lakhs and 3.5 lakhs respectively. So P1 10 lakhs invest kala, P2 15 lakhs investment kala. Pode na farming or business. तो P1 farming रे किछ investment kala, business रे किछ investment kala. फार्मिंग रे जहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट करथिबो तार 20% प्रॉफिट और बिजनेस रे जहाँ इन्वेस्ट करथिबो तार 25% कौन प्रॉफिट रहला। तो टोटल P1 रो प्रॉफिट हला 2.3 लाख 2.3 lakhs. Similarly, the profit of P2 is total 3.5 lakhs. 3.5 lakhs. This is the profit of P1 and this is the profit of P2. Okay? In that is, so the get total amount and so if we calculate this by matrix form, before we go this, we get an example. For we have purchased 3 pen and 5 pencil. 3 pen and 5 pencil. If one pen cost is 10 rupees, one pen cost is 10 rupees and one pencil cost is 5 rupees. Okay, how much amount we spend purchase of 3 pen and 5 pens? Then if we multiply, per pen is 10 rupees, we can purchase 3 pen, therefore total amount is 3 into 10. If we purchase 3 pens, then the total cost is 30 rupees, and we purchase 5 pencil, one pencil cost is 5 rupees, then invest for 5 pencil is total 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 rupees. For 3 pen we invest 30 rupees, and for 5 pencil we will invest 25 rupees. The total investment is 55 rupees. If we this type of problem solve in class 2 or class 3, but in matrix form, how it solve? Now 3 pen 5 pencil. Okay, 3 pen and 5 pencil. This is also a matrix form, and one pen cost is 10 rupees, one pencil cost is 5 rupees. Then this can be written in 10 and 5. If we multiply this to matrix, we get total 55. 3 pen, one pen cost is 10 rupees, 3 pen cost is 3 into 10. One pencil cost is 5 rupees, 5 pencil cost is 5 into 5. Therefore total is 3 into 10 plus 5 into 5, that is equal to 30 plus 25, that is equal to 55 rupees. Okay. Similarly, in this example, now P1 invest 10 lakhs in farming and business. In farming, let he invest X lakhs. In business, total invest is 10 lakhs. If in 10 lakhs, if he invest X lakhs in farming, then the rest amount invest in business, that is 10 minus X lakhs. Okay. Similarly, person P2 total invest in 50 lakhs. If he invest his Y lakhs in farming, then the rest of 15 minus Y in business. Okay. Now the profit of farming is 20%. Profit of farming is 20%. This is 20% profit. 20% means 20 divided by 100. 20 divided by 100. And in business, profit is 25%. Okay. Therefore, in P1, the total profit is he invest farming X lakhs. The annual profit is in farming 20%. Therefore, we multiply X amount with 20%. And P1 person invest in business 10 minus X lakhs. Therefore, its P1 get benefit to business, that is equal to 10 minus X into 50. 15%. Therefore, total profit of P1 is X lakhs into 20% plus 10 minus X lakhs into 25%. Similarly, person 2 also total profit in farming Y into 20% plus 15 minus Y into 25%. Therefore, we can write this in matrix form: farming, business, P1, P2. In farming, P1 invest X lakhs and 10 minus X lakhs. Okay. In farming, P2 invest Y lakhs, and in business 15 minus Y lakhs. Therefore, annual profit in farming is 20% and business is 25%. It can be written 20% means 20 divided by 100 and 25% means 25 divided by over 100. Okay. Now, therefore, the total profit of P1 in farming and business is X multiplied by this plus 10 minus X multiplied by this is equal to how many lakhs? 2.3 lakhs. And in P2, in the person P2, then the total profit in farming and business is Y into 20 divided by Y multiplied with 20% plus 15 minus Y multiplied with 25 by 100, that is equal to 3.5 lakhs. Okay. If we multiply these two matrices, we get. If we multiply these two matrices, we get X into 20 by 100 plus 10 minus X into 25 by 100. This is the total profit of P1. Total profit of P1. Similarly, total profit of P2 is Y into 20 by 100 plus 15 minus Y into 15 minus Y into 25 by 100. Therefore, this is the matrix of order. This is one row and this is another row. 2 rows and 1 column. This is the profit of P1 and this is the profit of P2. The profit of P1 is 2.3 lakhs and profit of P2 is 3.5 lakhs. If we compare these two matrix, therefore here we get X 20x divided by 100 plus 250 minus 25x divided by 100 is equal to 2.3 lakhs. If solve this equation, we get the value of X. Similarly, Y into 20 by 100 means 20 Y divided by 100 plus 15 into 25. 15 5 just 25, 5 7, 15 to the 37. Okay, minus 25Y divided by 100. This is equal to 3.5 lakhs. If we solve this equation, we get the value of X, and we solve this equation, we get the value of Y. X is P1's farming investment of P1 in farming. Okay, and next is 10 minus X is business. Therefore, P1 invest X amount in farming and 10 minus X lakhs in business. Similarly, P2, we can find the value of Y. Then this amount is invested in farming and 15 minus Y, this amount invested in business. Which person? Not P2. P1 invest X amount in farming and P1 invest 10 minus X lakhs in business. Similarly, P2 invest Y amount in farming and 15 minus y lakhs in business. Okay, in this way we can calculate. Now we go through the exercise. Exercise 4A. First question, state the order of the following matrix. First question, first bit कौन बोलती है? A, B, C. A matrix order कौन? गोटे रो तीन column 1 plus 3. Similarly, we can find out the order of other matrices. Okay. And question number 2. How many entries are there in 3 cross 3 matrix? There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, total number of element is 3 into 3. Total number of element is 9. In the same way, 3 cross 4, that is 12 elements. P cross Q is PQ elements, and a square matrix of order P. Fourth bit is square matrix of order P. Order P means P number rows and P number column. Therefore, total number of element is P into P. P square is the total number of element in order P. Okay. Now, give an example of 3 cross 1. 3 cross 1. 3 cross third number, first bit. 3 cross 1. Man, 3 row gote column thivara example. For example, X, Y, Z. There is 3 rows and 1 column. Similarly, we can give the example of 2 cross 2, 4 cross 2 and 1 cross 3. Okay. Now, fourth one is let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2 and 3, 9, 1, 1, 6. If A is equal to this, first bit is what is the order of A? Now, first find order of A. Order of A means how many number of rows and columns. Here 3 rows and 5 columns. Here 5 columns. Therefore, order of the matrix is 3 cross 5. Okay. Now, second one is write down the entries A31, A25 and A23. A31 means third row first column. This is our A31. Therefore, entries is 31 is 3 and similarly 25 second row fifth column. This is A25 and also write down the entries of A23. 23 means second row third column. That is A23. Okay, this is A23, this is A25 and this is also A31. Okay. Now third bit is write down AT. For AT means transpose of A. If this is A transpose is equal to first row changes to first column 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Second row column, second column changes to second column 4, 5, 6, 1, 2 and third row changes to third column 3, 9, 1, 1, 6. This is our A transpose. And fourth bit is what is the order of A transpose? The order of A transpose is 5 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Now, example 5. Matrices A and B are given below. Find A plus B, B plus A minus B, B minus A and verify that A plus B is equal to B plus A and B minus A is equal to minus of A minus B. A, B are given matrices. First, second, third, fourth bit A and B are given. Now we can find A plus B, B plus A. In our matrix addition, A plus B is equal to B plus. That is, matrix addition is commutative. If we add A with B and B with A, they are equal. Okay. So find all the values of first bit. If A is equal to 7, 1 and B is equal to minus 6, 9. First we find A plus B. A plus B is equal to 6 plus 7 plus minus 6 is equal to 1. 1 plus 9 is equal to 2. This is our a plus b. Now find b plus a. B plus a is equal to minus 6 plus 1, 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Therefore, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Similarly, we can find a minus b. A minus b is equal to 7. Minus of minus 6 is equal to 13. 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. This is our a minus b. And we can also find b minus a. B minus a is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 7, that is equal to minus 13, and 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This is our b minus a. This is our a minus b. Now minus of a minus b is equal to every element of a minus b multiplied by minus 1, that is equal to minus 13, 8. Therefore, b minus a is same as minus of a minus b. In similar way, we can find all the bits of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then next class we go through from 6 number question. Okay. Thank you.